In this video, we will show you how to connect your bank account to our system and how the bank reconciliation process works. To add a new bank account, simply click on Configuration and select Add a Bank Account. The system will list down all the banks in Ireland, and you can easily search for your bank. Once you've selected your bank, your account type, either personal or business, and service, click on Connect. Then, you will be directed to your bank's application, where you can enter your credentials. Then your bank account will be linked to the system, and your bank statements will automatically be fetched into the system. Now that your bank account is synced, the system will show you the items to reconcile, the balance in GL, the outstanding payments, and that one payment is to send via SEPA. We can see the number of items that need to be reconciled. And we can also click on Online Synchronization to sync the bank account again at this time. If you've already synced all your transactions, then you can click on Reconcile 25 items. The system will display the transactions that need to be reconciled on the left-hand side, and the line items or individual journal entries on the right-hand side. Now, select the item you want to reconcile and choose the appropriate account. Let's say we select this one, which is related to Facebook. Let's assume that this is from our digital marketing account. Thanks to the reconciliation models, you can define buttons for accounts so that you don't need to look for accounts and quickly select the account you want. So, I will click on Digital Marketing, and it will change the account here from Suspense Account to Marketing. You can also use the To Check button to define to check a transaction later, in case you don't find its counterpart entry. Now, I'll click on Validate to complete the reconciliation. We can also see which are the outgoing payments and which ones are incoming. Here, the red ones are the outgoing payments. Let's say, now I want to reconcile this item. So I have the option to list all the existing entries for this item here. If I remove this receivable filter, I will be able to see all the invoices and the bills against which we need to reconcile the item. We also have the option for batch payments if we have created any. Then we have the Manual Operations option, where we can manually select the account for the item we are reconciling. For example, the shipping charges account. Here, we can define an analytical account, either the cost center or the profit center. We can define any taxes applied, also any partner to whom this transaction belongs. Then just validate it and then it will be gone from the list of transactions to reconcile. We will also be able to see the balance here, which is shown in your general ledger and is per this statement. So this is the process of bank reconciliation. From here you can see how many items have been reconciled so far. You also have the option to view the operations, statements, customer payments, vendor payments, internal transfers, and journal items. Let's go into the operations. If you've synced all of these records, you can select them and define them as the statement for a particular month. For instance, January 2022. Click on Create and Edit. Here we have the starting and ending balance. We can add any attachment if we have received any bank statement in the system. Now, click on Save and Close. The system will confirm if you want to apply this update for all the selected records, and you can click OK to proceed. As you reconcile items, the system will show you the balance in the GL, how many items you've reconciled, and how many are still outstanding. Thanks for watching.